Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'm going to find out if the ideal SureTrace circuit tracer can find a break in the neutral wire that is within PVC. In the PVC, there is a hot, a neutral, and a ground. Now we're going to try to find that break in the neutral in a non-energized circuit, and we're going to use the leads that you see on the right here. That's called the direct ground method. So those two leads that you see on the right will plug into the transmitter, and the plug will plug into the receptacle. This is the receiver. It has 4 levels of sensitivity. The levels are indicated by the number of bars you see on the right. The lower you can set the sensitivity, the more accurately you will be able to find the break. So I am going to set the sensitivity at 2. I'll plug the transmitter into the receptacle and I'll turn the transmitter on. Here I'm going to be starting just a few inches from the receptacle. The sensitivity reading on the receiver is 42, and I'm going to be moving it slowly towards the other receptacle, and hopefully we can find the break in the neutral. Here we go. 45, 40, 40, 41. It's staying consistently in the 40s right now. There's 44, 45. We're looking for a drop off. 42. Here it goes. Here's the drop off. 20s. We went down to the teens for just a moment. And here's the drop off right now. 0.0. Okay, come back a little bit. 0 again. There is your break right there. Earlier, I made a video using the Klein circuit tracer for the same exact test. Let's check it out and see if there's any differences between the Klein and the ideal. We're moving the tracer along the PVC conduit and we're looking for a break in the neutral wire. Now we're down in the 70s and 80s. We're moving along here, and there it is. Now we're in the 50s. We're kind of losing signal strength right now. And now we're in the 40s, the 30s, the 20s, 29, and back in the 30s, 0, right there. We found it. Notice that both tracers found the break in the same location in relation to that blue piece of tape. So they both found it, and so that's great. They're both excellent tools. One difference that I found between the two transmitters, that's the ideal on the left and the Klein on the right, is that the Klein gives you a spot to put a magnetic hanging strap. Now that magnetic hanging strap costs extra. They don't include it, but you do have the opportunity to put one on it, and it's very handy for this kind of tool to have a magnetic hanging strap. The Klein receiver has 8 levels of sensitivity, while the ideal receiver has 4 levels of sensitivity. The Klein transmitter tells you your voltage, whether your voltage is AC or DC, and it tells you if you're transmitting or not. I'll put links in my video description for both the ideal SureTrace circuit tracer and for the Klein Tools ET450 circuit tracer. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.